Hi guys, good day. This is Teacher MJ, and our topic for today is combined variation. So the equation of combined variation, that would be z equals kx divided by y. So the statement for this equation, that would be z, varies directly as x and inversely as y. So in combined variation, we do have two variations involved. That would be the direct variation and inverse variation. So this one. So the word there, directly and inversely. So, by the way, if it says z varies directly as x, so this is equivalent to z equals kx, in which if it says directly, your variables must be on the numerator. And if it says inversely, the variables must be on the denominator. Okay? So z varies directly as x, so that would be z equals kx. Always remember that k there, the constant there, is always on the numerator. So k is always on the numerator. So z varies directly as x, so that would be z equals kx. And inversely as y, so inversely there, it means there's something to do with division, or the variables must be on the denominator, inversely as y. So this is the equivalent. How about this one? We will try to convert this statement into a mathematical sentence. Could you try this one? Alright, so this is P varies directly. So directly there, it means that the variables must be on the numerator. So directly as the square of x. So do not forget, k is always on the numerator. K varies directly as the square of x. So that would mean x squared. It means x squared. P varies directly as the square of x. K there is constant, always on the numerator. And inversely, it means there's something to do with division. And inversely as s. Okay, divided by s. Inversely, the variables must be on the denominator. So this is P varies directly as the square of x and inversely as s. So that's how you translate the statement into mathematical sentence. Alright, to further understand this one, let's try some following questions of combined variation. Alright, let's do this. Okay, if x varies directly as the square of y and inversely as z and x equals 12 when y equals 3 and z equals 6. Find x when y equals 9 and z equals 6. Alright, so this is the question. If x varies directly as the square of y and inversely as z, and x equals 12 when y equals 3 and z equals 6. Find x when find x when y equals 9 and z equals 6. So let's try to convert this one first. This statement into mathematical sentence. This one. If x varies directly as the square of y, okay, x varies directly as the square of y, so it means, okay, let's write the equation. X equals varies directly as the square of y, so that would be k. So our variables must be on the numerator. K square of y squared. And inversely as z, so inversely, it means the variables must be on the denominator. Inversely as z, so divided by z. So x varies directly as the square of y. Okay. x equals k times y squared and inversely as z. So this is now the equation. Okay. Now you are told to find, okay, find x. Okay, you are told to find x when y is 9. So you have the value of y, which is 9, and z equals 6. So you cannot find x because you don't have the value of k. You don't have the value of k, and you don't have the value of x. There are two unknown variables, x and k. So the thing that you will do here, okay, the thing that you will do here is you need to find k. You find k first before you can solve this one. Okay. You need to find k before you can solve this one. This last question, find x when y equals 9 and z equals x, because you don't have the value of k and you don't have the value of x. But you can find k given with this equation, okay? Given that you have your x is 12, your y is 3, and z equals 6. So the first thing to do, class, is you need to find k first before you can solve the last question. Okay, this one. So you find k by this equation, 6, 12, and 3. Okay. So substitute. Now to get k, alright, you can do formula transformation, or you can just simply substitute if you want to. That would be the same answer. To find k, you can cross multiply this one, z times x. Okay, so this one over 1. So the z times x, that would be x z equals k y squared. And if you want to find k, divide both sides by y squared. Divide both sides by y squared. So your k equals xz over y squared. That's your k. Alright. If you want to find k, that's the formula in this given statement. But if you're confused with formula transformation, go ahead, just simply substitute the value of x, y, and z. Okay, let's substitute. Okay, substitute from the equation. Okay, x varies directly as the square of y, so k y squared, inversely as z. So our x, we do have our x is 12 equals k. We are told to find k. Y is 3, so 3 squared over z is 6. So simplify first. This is 12 equals, this is 3 squared. It means 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 times k. That would be 9k over 6. So you can reduce 9 and 6 by 3. Okay, this will be 3 over 2. Or you can just simply cross multiply. 12 times 6, then 9k times 1. So this will be 12 times 6 is 72. Okay, wait. 12 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 72. So cross multiply. Sorry. Understood the 12 here. There's always 1. So 12 times 6 is 72. 1 times 9k equals 9k. And to get the value of k, divide both sides by 9. Okay, so k equals 8. 72 divided by 9 is 8. So our k equals 8. Now, since you already have the value of k, therefore, you can now solve with this equation in which you are told to find x. Alright, so erase this one. K equals 8. So, okay, let me write the formula, the equation again. X varies directly as the square of y and inversely as z. So you are told to find the value of x when y is 9 and z equals 6. So find x. So x equals, you have your k, which is 8. 8. Y is 9. So 9 squared over z is 6. So this is x equals, you can reduce 8 and 6 by 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 9 squared, it means 81. Now, if it's hard for you to reduce 8 and 6, if you're confused, just simply get the square of 9, that is 81 times 8, divided by 6. But for me, it's better to reduce this one first, 8 and 6. because we will be multiplying smaller numbers if we reduce this one. So 4 divided by 4 over 3 times 81. You can also reduce 81 and 3. Okay, you can divide 81 by 3. So 81 divided by 3, that's okay. But let's just multiply 4 and 81. So 81 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay. So 332, this is x equals 81 times 4, 432, 324. 324 divided by 3. So x equals, let's divide that, 324 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3, bring down 2. 2 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Bring down 2. Bring down 4. 24 divided by 3 is 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8, sorry. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So that's 108. Okay, 108. So this is now our x. So you can also divide this one, class. Do not 81 and 3. You can divide this by 3. So 81 divided by 3. I think this will be 27. 2, 6, 2, 1, 27. Right? So 81 divided by 3. This is 27. And cancel 3. So you will just multiply 4 and 27. 4 times 27. I think same answer. 108. 4 times 7 is 8, carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So 108. It depends on you, because in math there are so many ways you can solve the equation. So our answer for x is 108. Okay, that will be our x. So let's try more examples for us to really understand combined variation. Alright, let's try more examples. Sir, can we have more examples? Yes. Okay. Okay, if R varies directly as S and inversely as the square of U and R equals to when S equals 18 and U equals 2. So A, we have 3 questions. Find R. Okay. Find A, R when U equals 3 and S equals 27. B, find S when U equals 2 and R equals 4. C, find U when R equals 1 and S equals 36. So we do have now 3 questions. Alright, we have to find R, S, and U. So the thing that you will do here is you need to translate this one first into mathematical statement. Alright, so let me erase this one. We will solve A first. So remember the questions. Alright, let's solve A first. Find R when U equals 3 and S equals 27. So convert this one first. R varies directly as S. Okay, sorry. This is as S. R varies directly as S. R varies directly as S and inversely as the square of U, and R equals 2 when S equals 18 and U equals 2. So R varies directly as S, so R varies directly as s. So directly, it means that the variables is on the numerator. So ks inversely as the square of u. So the inversely, so the variables must be on the denominator. Square of u, so u squared. So this is now the equation. So you are asked to find r when u is 3 and s equals 27. So u, we have the value of u, which is 3. U there is 3, s is 27, but we cannot find r because we don't have the value of k. We don't have the value of k, we don't have the value of r in this given question. Therefore, we cannot answer this one because there are two unknown variables. So the thing that we will do is we need to find k in this first statement, this one. R equals 2, s equals 18, and u equals 2. So find k. So to find k, we substitute the numbers. So r equals 2, so this is 2. 2 equals k is, we need to find k. S is from this first question, statement there. R is 2, k, s is 18, so multiply by 18. Divided by u is 2, 2 squared. Substitute the value of u, which is 2, 2 squared. So this is 2 equals 18 times k is 18k. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. So you can reduce 18 and 4 by 2, or you can just simply cross multiply. Okay. Or you can multiply both sides by 4. In mathematics class, there are many solutions. Okay, you can multiply both sides by 4 to cancel 4. Okay, you can multiply both sides by 4. So this will be 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 4, cancel 4. So this will be 8 over, 8 equals 18. Okay, this is the same. But for me, I will just do cross multiplication. It depends on you, class, because in math we have so many different solutions. But you will come up with the same answers. So cross multiply. Understood? There's 1. So cross multiply. You can also reduce 18 and 4. There are many solutions. So 4 times 2 is 8 equals 18 times 1 is 18k. To get the value of k, divide both sides by 18. Cancel 18. So k equals, reduce 8 and 18. So you can divide this by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you once again reduce this one by 2. So our k is 4 over 9. Alright, k is 4 over 9. So once again, class, this one, we have so many solutions. You can multiply both sides by 4 to cancel 4 in the denominator, or you can also reduce 18 and 4. Then multiply both sides by 2. So it depends on you. K is equals to 4 over 9. Sorry. K equals 4 over 9. So we have our k. Sir, can we find r? Yes, we can find r. U equals 3 and s equals 27. So substitute the value of k. So we have r equals k is 4 over 9 and our s is 27. So multiply by 27. Divided by u is 3. 3 squared from this given question. 3 squared. So this is, you can cancel 9 and 27 because 27 divided by 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Or just cancel. So this becomes 4 times 3. Okay. 4 times 3. Cancel 27 and 9. So let me just cancel it with blue pen. This is 4 over 9. Then this is 27. Right. You can cancel 27 and 9. You can cancel this by 9. Or 27 divided by 9 is 3. And we have 4 times 3. So the remaining there on the top, that would be 4 times 3. This one is 9. 3 squared is 9. So this is 3 r equals 4 times 3 is 12 over 3 times 3 is 9. So r equals, you can reduce this one by 3, class. Divide both sides by, divide the numerator and denominator by 3. Divide it by 3. So the answer is 4 over 3. 4 over 3. So that's it for A, 4 over 3. Alright, If you want to check your answer, substitute the value of r, 4 over 3, and you try to check if you will get the same answer. Right, 4 over 3. So our answer for A is 4 over 3. So A, 4 over 3. So let's try to solve for B. Question B. Find S when U equals 2 and R equals 4. Now since we already have the value of K, so substitute from this given form equation, R equals, bars directly as X, Ks over inversely as the square of U. So we have R is 4, so 4 equals, our K is 4 over 9. Our S, you are told to find S. And our U is 2 squared. So this is 4 equals, multiply. Understood S here is, there should be 1 in the denominator. So 4 times S is 4S divided by 9 over, so this is 4 equals 4 times S, 4S divided by 9 over 2 times 2 is 4. Now reduce this one, simplify this one first. 4S divided by 9. 4S over 9, 4S over 9 divided by 4. Understood 4 here, there should be 1 here. So this is 4S over 9 divided by 4 over 1. And you get the reciprocal class. When you divide the fraction, you need to get the reciprocal. So this is 4S times reciprocal of 4 over 1. So you change the operation. Instead of division, you make it multiplication times 1 over 4. So equals, so you can cancel 4 and 4. Okay. Or you can just simply multiply. 4S times 1 is 4S. 9 times 4 is 36. Reduce 4 and 36. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we have 1S over over 9. But do not put 1. That's okay. S over 9. So we have S over 9 on the top. This one. This one is S over 9. We simplify this one. So S over 9. So we have, this is S over 9. So let me erase this one. So S over 9, we have 4 equals, this one is S over 9. We do that. We divide 4S over 9. We divide it by 4. And then 4 here, there's a denominator of 1. So 4S over 9 divided by 4 over 1, we get the reciprocal, because in fraction, the rules there is we need to get the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 4 over 1, that's 1/4. So multiply 4S times 1 is 4S. 9 times 4 is 36. Reduce by 4, so we have S over 9. So we have S over 9. So you can multiply both sides by 9, okay, to get the value of S, or you can do cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiply. We do cross multiplication because most of the students, they are used to do cross multiplication. So understood that that 4 has a denominator of 1. So cross multiply. Or once again, you can do many things in this equation. You can multiply both sides by 9 and you will get S equals 36. Or you can do cross multiplication. But since most of our students do multiplication, so we just cross multiply. So S equals, S times 1 is S, 4 times 9 is 36. So S equals 36. Alright, for B, S equals 36. Okay, B, for B, first is you find R equals, this is for A, for B, the value of S equals 36. S equals 36. Alright, so next is we find U. So C, question C. Find U when R equals 1 and S equals 36. Alright, substitute the value of R. So we have 1 equals K is 4 over 9. And then S is 36. We have 36 multiplied by 36 over, you are told to find U. Okay, U squared. Okay, so you can cancel this one by 36 and 9. You can divide this one by 36 divided by 9 is 4. Cancel this one. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So cancel. The remaining will be 4. So this becomes 4 times 4. So this is 1. 1 equals 4 times 4 is 16 over U squared. So cross multiply. So this is cross multiply this one. Understood that there's 1 here. So this is U squared. U squared equals 16. And to get U, extract square root both sides. So cancel. So U equals square root of 16. That's positive negative 4. But we need to get the positive 1 since our answer must be positive. So square root of 16, that would be U is equals to 4. So question C, U is equals to 4. U is equals to 4. Alright, so that's it, class. That's how you solve for the combined variation. Hope you like this video and you learned something. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share to your friends, to your classmates. And you have a great day. If you have questions, please do leave a comment. Goodbye for now.